There is a painting competition. The theme of the painting is the painting depicting the peace. The competition is organized by a queen. From different corners within the territory of her empire, paintings came. In the beginning, 100 paintings are selected for the award, and consequently, 2 paintings are screened out for the best painting prize that will define and exhibit the meaning of peace. Come to the first one out of the 2 paintings. First one carries a beautiful lake with clean water, transparent water, to act as the best mirror. Clouds are floating in the sky as if they are cotton balls. Trees are there. A snowfall is there. Winds are also blowing. There is rocks, there is trees, and everything is getting, every natural appearance is getting an image in the lake water. Everyone was thinking that this could best be to define the peace. This is a painting that will speak to a true meaning of peace. Now come to the second painting. Second painting also bears the natural scenes. There is a lake, but the water is not calm. There are ripples in the water. There is a storm around. There is landslide. Trees are falling. There is a thundering, heavy rain. This painting carries every situations that challenge the existence of life. It shows natural disaster. It seems as if this painting is no way to depict peace. Now, the queen approaches the painting. She stares the painting. She finds in chaotic situation, in turbulent situation, there is a landslide. Rocks are falling down. Trees are falling. Still, across the weather-beaten situations, across the rocks, falling rocks, there is a bush, झाड़ी है. There is a tree. वो ट्री प्रयास कर रहा है कि एग्जिस्ट करे. और उस टूटते हुए चट्टानों के बीच से उस पेड़ की डाली पर एक चिड़िया रहती है, जैसे बर्ड जो घोंसला बनाती है, उस घोंसले में अपने छोटे बच्चे को दाना देती है। रानी इसे चुनती है बेस्ट पेंटिंग अवार्ड के लिए। क्यों? Why this second painting bearing all natural disaster except one thing, that there is a bird who is struggling, making nest and feeding her young ones. Ladies and gentlemen, peace never means absence of disturbance. Peace never means absence of chaos. Peace never means cakewalk. Peace never means there is no traffic on the road. Peace means you should learn to sail the life in the midst of turbulence, in the midst of disturbance, to survive and sustain. हमारे स्पिरिचुअल जो कॉन्सेप्ट है वो यही बताता है कि मुसीबतों में कैसे तुम मुकाबला करोगे, कैसे आगे बढ़ोगे। जो मुसीबतों के बीच मुकाबला कर आगे बढ़ता है वही शांति के सच्चे परिभाषा को जानता है, और यही ज़िंदगी है। इसलिए रानी की दृष्टि में द सेकेंड वन इज द पेंटिंग that depicts the true meaning of peace. Thank you.